Right, this video is about how to remove duplicate rows in Apple numbers. I'm Adam Steinfurth. This is the Prolific Oak Tree channel. And let's just get started here. So this is the table of data that we have. You have a header row, and then below that, you have your data. And we've already indicated where the duplicates are. So if you just want to do that, there's a previous video about it that I'll link to on the screen right now. But that's showing us that row 7, so which is the ID 5 here, Lori Boynton, and row 18. They're also exactly somewhere else in this list, right? So if you look here, here's the original entry for this person, and then here's a duplicate. Same thing up here. Now there's a built-in function to remove these. It's a lot easier than the previous video I made. No workaround. All you have to do is use the unique function. I'll show you how to do that. Let's insert another table where we're going to put the unduplicated table. And let's just take these 3 header rows. So we're going to create a list here that has the ID, first name, and last name, but no duplicate rows. And we're going to do it using the unique function. So the unique function will take a range of data as the input and then just output it without duplicates. So it's nice and simple, but it's designed exactly for this. So we will give it this range. We'll just highlight, this is table 1, A2 through C23. Should be all done now. We will click the green check mark. And I'm getting an error. I'm not going to look at it because I'm pretty sure what it already is that the unique function outputs an array. So that is multiple columns and rows of data, and it must have run out of space. So before you do this, probably, you should make sure you have enough space. So let's add some rows. And there we go. So this unique function outputs 20 rows, and the original is 22. If we look at the count A function, 22, the new one is 20. So right now, this is still a dynamic function on the right, meaning that if you change the data on the left, it will update on the right as well. Maybe that's the way you want to leave it. But if you want to sort of lock this in, so it's just at a point in time, what you would do is copy it by doing Command C and then paste it by doing Shift Command V as in Victor. And if we click in one of these cells now, you see that's just a 1. Previously, that's where the unique function was. And then all of these other cells were written from that 1 function, and now they're just pasted as values. If you want to learn how to create pivot tables in Apple numbers, which is a great way to report on data like this, I'll put a link up on the screen to that video that you can click on right now. Thanks for watching.